The cool thing about creating an online course is that it gives you the ability to monetize your knowledge. You can make an impact on an unlimited number of people. Your course can be taken anywhere with a Wi-Fi connection, and there's no need to congregate in a sweaty classroom. Online courses are one of my favorite ways to make money. So today I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step tutorial that shows you exactly how to make an online course yourself. Now, if this is your first time here, welcome to Bread Chasers. My name is Josh, and I like to make videos on financial freedom, investing, personal finance, and entrepreneurship. So don't forget to hit the like, smash the subscribe button, and let's just get started with this video. So at this point, you may have an idea of what your online course is going to be, or maybe not. Obviously, that's something you're going to have to figure out yourself. There are lots of ideas online. Do some research. Once you get that figured out, let's go to teachable.com. Alright, so I'm on my computer right now and we are on teachable.com. This is the website we are going to be using to create our course. And see, there's 5 simple steps, and here you can look and see there's a bunch of happy people. Alright, so to get started, we're going to click create a course. And we're going to put in our full name here. We're going to put in our email address. We're going to create a password, just like any other account that you've ever created in your whole life. Agree to the terms of service. And we're gonna get started with naming our school. I'm gonna name it Bread Chasers Academy. And so yeah, we're gonna create our school, and here is a quick questionnaire to go over some questions. So, are you a business owner? Yes, I am a business owner. I work on my business full time. I primarily identify as a content creator. Which topic is most relevant to your business or content? So as you can see, there is a bunch of different topics we can choose from, and if it's not listed, you can click something else. Today we're gonna click on business and marketing because that's the course that I'm going to create. And now we're gonna click our annual revenue and the country. So now we're here, Bread Chasers Academy, welcome. Here are the steps that we need in order to set up our course. So number one, we need to go over here. We need to confirm our email address. So once you do that, go back to the courses. We are back on this page. So right off the bat, you can sign up for a free live webinar. And you see it says, all right, there's 12 minutes, 40 seconds until the webinar starts. You can click on a time and register for that. As you can see, there's a nice video with some happy people ready to teach you all about Teachable. So, and it gives you the time, what time it's going to start, Eastern Standard Time today, Thursday, March 5th, 2020. Click enter webinar and it'll do a little countdown for you so you can get all excited about this webinar and learning how to create a course more in depth. So now we're going to just create our course, and we are going to give it a title. Today we're going to create a course about jaw-dropping websites. So how to create a jaw-dropping website, and the subtitle will be everything you need to know about building a professional high-quality website. So that's what we're going to do. Everything you need to know about building a professional high-quality website. Obviously, I'm the author, and we're going to create the course. So as you can see here, we're at the curriculum section, and this is where you're going to add all the content for your course. So you can go here, change the name. You can add content to the lecture by clicking adding a file. And so you can either drag and drop a file or just choose a file to get started. And this is where you're going to have videos created. You need content for the course. You want valuable content for the course, and you're going to upload these videos, and it might take a while because the website needs to get the videos formatted in a proper way. As you can see here, you can also add text. So welcome to my course. Another thing you can do is adding a quiz, so you can actually make your students go through quizzes to make sure they're actually understanding what you're saying. You can customize it more specifically with code, and those are the different options you have when you're creating your lectures. And as you see here, you can click the preview new lecture if you want to add a new lecture.
And now we're going to go click on the information, and here this is where you can change more specific details. Obviously right there it says publish course, but we're not ready to do that yet. Here we're going to go to the sales page. This is an idea of what the sales page will look like. Obviously I haven't filled out any of the information yet, but this is something you would have to do. This is an idea of what the template will look like. In order to add your logo, you can come over here and click on adding a logo. Of course, these are just the pictures that are already available on the website, and for this example I'm just looking through. That looks like a nice picture, and I'm uploading just random pictures for now. You can click how dark the overlay is on the front page, save it, and then you can also see that we're going to add, you can change up the font. So there's a bunch of different fonts that you can choose from, as well as you can change the colors. Specifically, you can change the color code, and if you need to figure out what the color code is, you can just go on Google for that. Alright, so we've returned to our dashboard. Now we can set up our school domain. I'm just going to do Bread Chasers Academy and confirm that, and now you have a domain. Wow, you already have a website and you have a course. That easy. Just click publish, and yes, so we're going to publish our lectures, and boom, we have a course created. It's pretty unbelievable how quick you can do this. Now of course, this is where they get you, right? Oh, we have to pay monthly, or we have to pay annually, and it tells you a little bit more about what specifically the different options are. And this is one of those things, as you click between the monthly and annual plans, make sure if you're going to upgrade to a basic, professional, or business plan, make sure that, hey, I'm doing it by month or annually. But hey, there's also a free way to do this hidden on the bottom, so you can actually launch a course for completely free and track all the analytics here to see who's signing up for the course, how many signups you got. And if you click on payments, you can start collecting payments today just by setting up Teachable payments. So there's really no excuse with starting an online course. It doesn't take a whole lot of money to get this started. As long as you kind of have some information that you can present to people, then you're good to go. And here's Teachable support. So if you need any help specifically with certain things, then there's Teachable support there, which is also a really great feature. Another cool thing is you can enforce course compliance. You can force your students to watch the videos and everything like that. Alright, so now I'm just going to show you a few examples of some really great courses that other people have made, just so you can get a good idea of what you should be shooting for. I think that's really important. We always should know what we should be striving for when we're making some courses. So there's a whole bunch of examples to look at. I'm just going to click on this one, make better videos by yourself. And this course is a great example. It starts off with just a nice video of this guy kind of explaining, probably talking about himself, telling you what you can expect by buying this course, your outcome. It answers some questions. He explains directly what you're going to learn, just some great pictures. He also has some reviews. Obviously, reviews are so important for online courses. People who are interested in your course are going to want to know what others have said about it, and look how much content he has on this course. So I'm not saying creating an online course is easy, but this is just a great way that you can make an impact on a whole lot of people all over the world. And here's some frequently asked questions. These are also great to answer those questions people are going to have, especially, hey, if they're unhappy with the course, you got a 30-day money-back guarantee. That's pretty much a no-brainer. I mean, you could take the whole course, and if you don't like it, you don't even have to pay for it. You can get your money back. So that's pretty nice. And there's so many different topics. Here we got health, and the courses aren't always that expensive. Like that one back there, that was $29, $19 to do a course. So you can change the price to whatever you think the value of the course, whatever value you think it brings to other people. That's how much you can charge for your courses. And you can see, I would recommend looking through your competition, seeing what the competition is charging, and starting off, charging probably a little bit lower than your competition, especially if you don't have any credibility yet, if you don't have any reviews. Here's another example of a course. Again, the outcome, super important. just laying out exactly what your clients are going to get from the course is so important, and just having great reviews, again, super important. And again, just look how much content they're really giving you for this $200. It's a no-brainer. I think one of my biggest recommendations is actually go ahead and take a course yourself so that you can learn and see how a course is structured and how other people create these courses so that you can replicate that for yourself.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I can't wait to see you in the next one. Peace.